All right, quick fix. Motor, came out. Turn this shit off. And this Velcro's got to go. Yeah, I got some stuff now for it. Just hadn't done it. Oh, I keep turning my rig off. Yeah. Ain't that what a thing. I gotta go back and put my little zip ties in there. Keep forgetting to do that. Guys, we are cool, man. On a 23 tooth, on a 1480 kV. Now this is a Hobby Star. It seems to be a little bit smoother than that Rocket. Yeah, man. The only thing I upgraded on this beast, and I'm trying not to put no money in it, is a PPS front motor mount. That's it. That is it. But over time, I am going to get some hot racing discs or Vitavon or Integy. I might just throw some Integy on here, man. Save a little bit of money. Yeah. Damn, man. I think she's a little... I don't know if she's faster than Jack right now. See that 1650 and 1480, you got to compensate. So you got to gear up really high on a 1480. So I really didn't get to open her up. Like over here. But I will. Get a new servo horn on her. She'll be alright. That stock servo horn, it lasted a good little while. Yeah. All right, sledgehammer. Boop. Yeah. Well, she was riding out on a 23, I'm telling you. Whew. Son. She's just floating. Guys, man, I need some buddies. I'm all alone. That's why I'm doing this, so I can have some type of interaction. Yeah. Fucking beast. Let's try this one. This one too high? No, I got little bumps right there. Woo. Yeah, stock BLX 185. Man, that's, if you just want a bash, that's some awesome, just little ESC for real. Eh. Hey, hey. Come on, sledgehammer. Wow. Shouldn't have gave it that one last tap. You're good, baby. You're good. Chassis straight as an arrow. I guess one time on the asphalt won't hurt. You got plenty of grip. I hardly ever put my rigs. Oh, that one's like a little flat one. There she is. I need to end up my brake a little bit. I want to say one to turn two to burn. I don't know what that is. I go back. Anyway, figure out the brake later on here. Move bag. Oh, hit LVC. Get your ass up there closer to the fucking car as you can. She's about to stop any second. Come on, make it, baby. Go, baby. Hoop. Hey, LVC made it to the car. All right, guys. Starting to get a little late. Running out of daylight. All right, Gator Jack RC is out. We'll be uploading all kind of videos all at once. Yeah. All right, guys. Peace.